what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Itsjassmariee. If you are new here, hey girl, hey. And if you have been here before, what's up sis? So today I'm going to be doing a review on this wig. This is from Unice hair, or Unice hair, however you say it. They were so kind to send me this wig. This is a really long 24-inch wig. So if you like long hair, then this wig just may be for you. So if you're interested in seeing the full review on this hair, of course just keep on watching. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you ain't subscribed, then girl, what is you doing? And let's just jump right into it. Okay you guys, so this is the hair right out of the box. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like, what the knots look like and everything. So yeah, this is a T-part wig, as you guys can see, and there's not very much lace. I did try to bleach the knots, which I will show you guys in the next clip, but this is what it looks like so far. So I wanted you guys to see up close how the knots look. These are double knotted, so it's a little bit harder to bleach, for the bleach to hold. But yeah, when you get your box, this is what it's going to look like. And in the box, they do send you some goodies. It comes with a wig cap, a comb, which I didn't have here. It comes with some lashes, and these are actually cute lashes, and some jewelry. Okay, so I went ahead and threw the wig on. So as you can see, when you first apply it, it does look nice, but it looks wiggy. So I wanted you guys to see what it looked like before I went in and washed it. I'm sorry, before I straightened it and styled it. So I am a beginner, so I'm not sure how to like pluck the hairline and everything, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it come together. Okay, so first things first, let me just say right off the bat, the hair looks really good, and I'll be sure to include some clips of the hair straight out of the package showing you what the lace and everything looks like. But let me just tell you guys, I am a beginner. This is literally my first wig that is actually of quality, so I don't really know all the things about wigs, how to apply them. This is not glued down or anything. I literally just popped it on my head, I straightened it because I washed it, and I added a bit of curls, but they're not really holding. So yeah, don't come for me in the comments if you see anything wrong, because I am a beginner, but I'm willing to learn and get into wearing more wigs. So like I said, this is a 24-inch body wave wig. This is a T-part, so I'll show you guys here in the clip what the parting looks like. I did try and bleach the knots yesterday. One of my girlfriends came over. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see that the lace is, or I'm sorry, the lace and the knots are still pretty dark for my skin tone. I did add some powder and some concealer on the lace, but I don't know, to me it looks okay. I'm not, like I said, I'm not perfect at it. I can probably perfect the part even more, but I noticed that when we were bleaching the knots, it was taking a longer time to bleach. And I did use 20 developer because I am a beginner, you know, so I didn't want to use, you know, too much bleach, or like I just was scared. And also these are double knots, so it is harder to bleach double knots, I do know that. So yeah, other than that, I feel like the wig fits perfectly. It's super snug, so I don't have to worry about it like getting snatched off, getting blew off with the wind. It fits my head really good, which I really like, because I do have another wig from Love Me that I feel like was baggy. So with this wig, it comes with adjustable straps, and yeah, it's just all around cute, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you like this wig. It's silky. Like I said, I just straightened it, I washed it, and it still has its shine. These this wig, in the description, it has balayage honey, it's like honey blonde highlights, if you can see. So yeah, at first when they sent this, it looked literally like a black wig with a few highlights, and I was like, girl, where's the summer blonde highlights? But they are definitely here. And my friend told me that if I go ahead and use purple shampoo that I will be able to lighten it a little bit more. So yeah, it just feels really good. I cut the lace. Oh, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, oh, this is my wig, the wig cap, but this is the lace here. I didn't do much plucking or anything because, like I said, I am a beginner, so I don't really know, you know, how to do all of that. But for me, if you're just wanting to switch up your style and want something cute and quick, this is definitely a go-to. Like, this will be a go-to for me. I can get some Got To Be and spray that down right here if it's really snug, so you don't have to glue it down if you just want to look for the day and, you know, take it off. Yeah, this might be the wig for you. So let me turn around so y'all can see. So yeah, this is basically what the wig looks like straight out of the box. I did, you know, pluck a little bit from the part, but I do know that that could be fixed and look a little bit better. Honestly, I'm not a baby hair type of person all the time, so I'm cool with this wig not, you know, it's not like all of this is going to be seen anyways. I'm cool with it looking like this. I tried to flat iron it and get it as flat as possible to my face. So yeah, overall it's just a cute wig and I like it. It looks really, really good. I'm about to go see what my husband thinks because he gonna tell me if it look good or not. So I'm gonna see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review. Everything will be listed in the description box if you want to know more. And yeah, let me know how I did for my first time because it's literally my first time. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.